Okay, this is part 3 of the video, and this is the internal components to it. There's the 3 pins for the potentiometer, which is there. These 2 pins here power the motor. I'll take it apart. Got one hand. Okay, this gear is sticking on here. Right here is the potentiometer, right there, that black thing. There were the 3 pins that it uses. And right there, one on the left is 5 volts. One in the middle is the signal, and the one on the right is the ground. That's that. Here's the gear. The teeth are broken off. That's the other side of it, the part that goes in your car. And right here, whoops, there's the gear. Nothing wrong with that gear. So here's another gear. Okay, that's that gear. Nothing wrong with that one. And this bottom gear is another stripped one. You can see the teeth. Teeth right there are broken off. So right there and right there is where my teeth are broken off. Okay, here's the motor, which is powered by these 2 terminals right here. And what it does, if I can do this with one hand, you can also power this with a 9-volt battery. So I doubt I'm able to do this with 2 hands. With one hand, I mean. Can't get it. There it goes. Anyway, you can actually turn this part anywhere you want it with a 9-volt battery. And I didn't know that until after I took it apart and experimented with it. So here is this whole assembly. Got like a resistor right there. The back side. So them 2 terminals just power this forward and reverse. Whichever way your polarity goes, which way the motor goes. And if I can get this back in there. There we go. Okay, that's back in there. And let's see. I think it was this one. Let's see. This one. And this one. Forgot how it went. That one. There we go. No, that's wrong. It's gotta go the other way. It's gotta. There we go. There we go. That stuff don't turn because of that worm gear. That worm gear right there. He prevents any kind of turning from happening. There's all the gears. And this thing would go back on there. But since I only have one hand, I don't know if I can do it. I ain't gonna be able to do it. But anyway, all that would go back in there. Like that. Anyway, if that was lined up, it would go back together. And there it is. And you can power this thing in them 2 pins right there with a 9-volt battery. And just reverse the polarity. And you can make it run in either direction. and make this thing go where you want it to go. Put it in position before you put it in the car. I didn't know that until I took it apart. And that is it. Part 3. Final video.